Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open Settings and tap FaceTime to confirm it is enabled on your device. Make sure you are signed into the same Apple ID used for FaceTime. Open Contacts and verify the contact has a valid Apple ID email or phone number listed. If the contact shows multiple numbers, mark the preferred one clearly. Toggle FaceTime off then back on to refresh service registration. Finally, force quit FaceTime and the phone app before testing a call again. Open the Contacts app and locate the person who lists as unavailable on FaceTime. Tap Edit and add the exact Apple ID email used for FaceTime sign-in. Remove duplicate phone numbers and set the preferred number clearly in the contact card. Check that the contact type is set to mobile or iPhone for correct routing. Save changes and allow up to 2 minutes for iCloud to sync across devices. Retry FaceTime. After confirm both your device and the contact have active Wi-Fi or cellular data connections. Check Apple system status and ensure FaceTime is not experiencing an outage at the time. Sign out of FaceTime under Settings and sign back into the same Apple ID to refresh authentication. Update iOS to the latest version available for security and compatibility fixes. If problems persist, reset network settings and restart the device to clear cached connectivity errors before
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.